Hello viewer, are you facing ChatGPT face change problem? When you try to edit an image in ChatGPT, then ChatGPT change your face. So let's see how to solve this. First of all, in your photo editing prompt, add some line. For example, keep my original face exactly the same, or do not change my facial features, or keep the face exact same to the uploaded image. So you can add this type of line in your image generation prompt, so it helps you to fix ChatGPT face change problem. Now follow the second step. Open any browser. Now search swap face. Now go to remarkai.com. From here, upload your edited image from ChatGPT. And from this box, upload your original image that you want to target your face. Now from this page, you can fix ChatGPT face change problem.